In this tutorial, you will learn how to test the bipedal balance of your patient using Kinvent tools. In order to do that, we will use the K-force plates. The patient will stand in front of the plate. Push the button on the plate to turn them on. The light turns green, meaning the plates are ready to be used. Then, select the assessment you'd like to perform on the tablet. You will notice a description of the test, the goals of the test, and how to explain the exercise to your patient. Once the plates are connected, the green light will turn blue. The assessment can be performed with eyes open or closed. Select one or both, depending on your preference. At this stage, you can see and modify the preparation time, the repetitions, the duration of each repetition, and break times. When you start the activity, first ask the patient to step on the K-force plates, to step 3 or 4 times on it, and to stabilize himself, arms by his side. He must look straight forward, and the exercise can get started. Relax. Take 3 or 4 small steps again, resume your position, and close your eyes. The exercise is now over. The patient can step off. Your tablet will now display the data gathered from the testing. You can note the trust ellipses with eyes both open and closed, and the Romberg ratio. You can also access other data, such as weight distribution in mapping mode, and more granular data in advanced settings that may be needed for research purposes. This exercise has been presented with the K-force plates, but you can do the exact same thing with the K-deltas.